Welcome back. In this lecture, we are going to create some UI for our game. So first of all, I am going to create a game object and name it UI Manager. UI Manager. Next thing, I am going to create a UI and name it text and call it score or just time. Here you can see a small text is appeared, and if I zoom it, and here you can see a text is appear. If I drag it here, so click on this, select pivot point center and select this, and here make it 0, font style bold, and if you want to increase size, adjust and bring it in center. Perfect. If you want to increase its size, you can simply select this and scale and increase just its size. Now from here you can increase the size. Select it color, make it white or any other color you want. Just drag it here. Now what I am going to do, select canvas and now create a just panel, and select panel and now create a new text and name it game over. Also select it and bring it here and name it game over. If you want to increase its size, just bring it and make it bold and increase its size and change its color to red, as game over is red is show to danger. And just now select panel and create a new button, and first of all change the background of button and make it green, and now select the text and name it try again and change its color white and also make it bold, and if you want to increase size, just here. Now select the button and drag it down here. Now press Ctrl D and duplicate it and just select it here and select the text and name it quit. Perfect. So we have created the basic UI text. In next lecture we will create script for it. Before, just you can also select and change its color. Just I want to make it sure pink. Perfect. In next lecture we will write code for our game, UI code for our game. See you in next lecture.